Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your dude Heat Ledger. I know I typically do sneaker reviews. Today, we're gonna be looking at 5 of the cheapest places in Toronto to eat. I'm super hungry right now. Let's go check it out. All right, so the first place we went to is called Ban Mi Nguyen Hong Food Co. Say that 9 times really fast, and I'll give you $2, a stick of bubble gum, and a used paper clip. No, but seriously, this place is really good. Located on Spadina. Here I tried to do a little intro, but the microphone was off. So then basically by the time we walked in, right about now, they start yelling at us, telling us to turn off the camera. All right, here's a clip that I just slowed down to make it look like we were in here longer, but basically a sneak peek at their assorted meats. All right, so this place is located on Spadina Avenue near Spadina and Dundas. So it's delicious, been going here for years, and want to give you guys a little sneak peek here at what it looks like inside. Lots of green veggies and then some red meats. Not sure what that is, but it's called the lemongrass sausage. It's my personal favorite. That was a red sauce. That was a red sausage.
I don't know what I just ate, but it's really yummy.
All right, but all jokes aside, this is probably the best banh mi place, and it only costs $3.50 for the entire sub. I mean, it's like a 12-inch sub, crazy value. I've been going here for years. It's like one of the most authentic banh mi places and banh mi Vietnamese subs that I'm aware of in the city, and absolutely delicious. So definitely, if you're in Toronto, check it out. All right, so the next spot we checked out is located in Kensington Market, just a couple minutes away from Chinatown, and this is one of the best taco places that you can get in the city, in my opinion at least. It's called Lassi La Secara, and for all those people in Toronto that know it, you know, it's kind of known for its junk food, but check out the colors, man. It's $5 a taco, and if you're in the area, highly recommend it.
Ooh. Oh, it's hot, babe.
Is it?
It's very hot. Yeah, it's really hot.
Confirming the taco will be hot when you first purchase it, so be careful. But look at those ingredients. You got the radish, you got the onions, everything grilled. We got just like the regular beef taco. It's absolutely delicious. $5. That's actually like $5.30 Canadian, but you cannot go wrong. I'm just loving it. Look at my face, and absolutely recommend it. All right, so we ended up going back to Chinatown to Ding Dong Pastries and Cafe. Hello, deals to be had. This place is located at Spadina St. Andrew Street, and absolutely delicious, incredible deals. 2 for $1, 3 for $1, 4 for $1, 5 for $1. Maybe not 5 for $1, but the deals are crazy. Chinese bakery, tons and tons and tons of variety, fresh baked goods. They bake and steam these goods daily. This right here is the haul that we picked up. I'll show you guys a bit more in a second, but this all came out to be $4.30 for everything. It's crazy. So, I mean, if you're a tourist to the city, maybe you live in the city, maybe you know, you're on a budget, or maybe you're just a broke person like myself, this is a place you should definitely check out if you haven't. All right, so the next spot we went to is called Jumbo Empanadas at 245 Augusta Avenue, back in Kensington Market. We really didn't plan this properly, did we? But if you're looking for empanadas, this is the place that I would recommend. Super filling. It's like $4.70 all in, freshly baked every day. And then if you just get the regular beef one, you got the beef, you got egg, you got black olives, and put a little hot sauce in there. Jeez, absolutely delicious. Highly recommend it. Definitely check it out if you're hungry. All right, and the last place for anyone who lives in Toronto needs zero introduction, Rasta Pasta, located in Kensington. Oh man, this is one of the greatest in the area jerk spots. They have these little jerk balls. These are $3.50. Crazy filling, and the concept is like this little dumpling with jerk chicken inside. So super good. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this really quick video of 5 places to eat in Toronto under $5. If you liked the video, hit this video with a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments down below if there's other places you want me to check out. All right, we'll see you on the next video. Peace.